let me introduce our 808 nanometer laser hair removal machine for you. This is a 10.4 color touch screen. This is the key switch of the machine. This is the emergency switch of the machine. This is our laser handpiece. When you push the two buttons to release it and push the two buttons to insert it, the handpiece both size is 10 millimeter and 17 millimeter. After the treatment, put back the handpiece to the hand holder. 3 air fans cooling. This is water outlet mount, foot pedal connector, power supply connector. This is water filling nozzle. You can pour the water from here to the water tank. It needs about 10 liters water. Turn on the switch and to the interface. There has 3 modes: hair removal, fast hair removal, skin rejuvenation. Choose the fast hair removal. 6 skin type choice, body area choice, gender choice, male, female. Choose skin type 2. Enter on. OK. Enter adjustment interface, temperature, water flow rate, DI rate, total shoots, energy increase, decrease, frequency, increase, decrease, total shoot, total energy for one person, skin cooling, increase, decrease, push ready. Back to the first page. Choose fast hair removal. There has 5 grade laser power for choice. Choose second, increase cooling, press ready. Went back to the last page. Choose the skin rejuvenation. Choose the power you need. Decrease and increase the cooling. Press ready.